Hello guys, today we are going to perform subtraction of two hexadecimal number. For performing this instruction, we have to firstly initialize the memory. So for initializing memory, we have to put A space C000 enter. Then MVI space A comma 6000 enter. You can use H also 6000H, but no, it's not compulsory. Then MVI space B comma 4000 enter. We have to subtract a hexadecimal number, so for subtract instruction we use SUB space B enter. Then for closing this instruction we use RST space 1 then double enter. So for run this instruction we have to put go space C000 one time enter and one time space. So for showing result we have to put R enter. So this is our result, which is A equals to 20. So in accumulator the result of subtraction of two hexadecimal number, which is 6000H and second number 4000H. So result is A equals to 20. A is an accumulator, which is a kind of register which is stored result which we have performed.